Hello children, let us continue our lesson. I want to quit the ICS. In this lesson, Subhash Chandra Bose, as you all know, Subhash Chandra Bose has written a letter to Deshabandhu Chittaranjan Das to seek advice what he has to do after quitting the ICS. Subhash Chandra Bose didn't want to work under an align rule. Okay, so he wanted to quit this ICS and he wanted to join the freedom movement. So he writes a letter to Deshabandhu Chittaranjan Das. So you already know that while writing the letter, he introduced himself so that he can prove his sincerity. So and he tells that he is what the son of Mr. Janakinath Bose, who is a practicing advocate at Cuttack, and also one of his brother Sharat Chandra Bose is a barrister of Calcutta High Court. So he also tells that in 1919 he has passed his BA examination and also he has secured 4th rank in ICS, Indian Civil Service. So he wanted to join the national service and he wanted to dedicate himself to the national service. He want to teach in the college established by Deshabandhu Chittaranjan Das in Calcutta, and also he wanted to do many writing and publishing books and newspaper work, and also he wanted to organize village society and spread education among common people so that he can gather people for the freedom movement. So he also tell Deshabandhu Chittaranjan Das that he has some education and intelligence like youth, so that he can join the national freedom movement. So he also tells him that philosophy is his honor subject, and also he thanks to civil service examination because it has given him education to up to certain standard in economics, political science, English, law and Sanskrit. So Subhash Chandra Bose, he want to quit ICS with proper plans. So he did not wish to quit ICS without knowing what to do after quitting the ICS. So he is seeking advice from Deshabandhu Chittaranjan Das so that he can be able to enter the field of work immediately after quitting the ICS examination. Till here we had discussed. So we'll go for next paragraph. I am now in a sense a government servant because I am now ICS probationer. I did not dare to write to you directly lest my letter should be censored. I am sending this letter through a trusted friend of mine. He will deliver the letter personally to you. Whenever I write to you, I shall be doing so in this way. You may, of course, write to me because there is no danger of letters being censored here. So, Subhash Chandra Bose, he is telling that he is a government servant. Still, he is working as an ICS probationer. So he did not have courage to write the letter directly to Deshabandhu Chittaranjan Das, as it may be examined, as it may be checked by others. So he is sending this letter by one of his trusted friend, and he would give this letter to Deshabandhu Chittaranjan Das. So And also he will tell him, you can directly write a letter to me, because there is no danger of somebody examining his letters. So whenever Subhash Chandra Bose wants to write a letter, he used to write a letter, and he wished to send the letter by one of his trusted friend. But Deshabandhu Chittaranjan Das can directly write letters to him, because there is no danger of letters being censored. So in next paragraph, I have a few ideas in my mind regarding the movement. I think there must be a permanent meeting place. We must have a house for this purpose. There will be a group of research students who will be carrying on research on various national problems. My personal view is that we have to maintain a permanent staff. They will do research on individual problems. Booklets will be published in every provincial language by the propaganda department and will be distributed free among the general public. Apart from that, a book will be published by the propaganda department on each and every question in our national life. In such a book, the policy of organization will be explained, and the grounds on which such a policy has been formulated will also be given. So, in this paragraph, Subhash Chandra Bose, he is writing a few of his ideas regarding the freedom movement. He is telling that they must have a permanent meeting place and a house to set meeting about the freedom movement. And also he tells that there must be a group of students who will be doing researches, who will be carrying out researches on national problems. So before independence there were many national problems in our country. So he is telling that some of the students will be doing research about the national problems, and he is also giving his personal view that they have to maintain a permanent staff. There must be a permanent worker working in the national movement group, working for the freedom of our nation. They will do research on individual problems, and he is telling that those permanent staff will be doing research on individual problems. What are the problems our country is facing? And also he is telling that propaganda department will publish what booklets in every provincial language, in every local language, so that each and everyone can understand, and that booklets will be published free among general public, among general citizens. That booklets will be what distributed freely. Apart from that book, that a book will be published by the propaganda department on each and every question in our national life. So apart from that booklets, the propaganda department would publish a book on each and every question of our national life. So before independence, the national life was very critical. So we were under the rule of Britishers. Britishers were treating us very badly. So many of them had questions about these national life. So he wanted this propaganda department to publish these questions in a book of our national life. So, and in such a book, the policy of the organization, for what that organization, what are the rules of those organization, what they are going to do from that organization will also be explained, and on what basis such a policy is created will also be given. So many set of rules by that organization. So they framed the organization for the freedom of our movement, for the freedom of our country. So on what basis that what policies, those plans, policy means plans, on what basis those plans are being created, that also will be given in that book. By reading that books, Subhash Chandra Bose wanted to gather people to fight against the British. Because of that, the propaganda department would publish booklets and some books where the plans of the organization for the freedom of our country and how they are created would be explained in that book, and it would be distributed freely among the people, local people. I have written so much. These questions are not new to you. I feel that tremendous work lies ahead of us in connection with the movement. If you wish so, I shall probably be able to make some contribution in this respect. So at last he is telling that he has written many things in this letter. So and also he is telling that these questions are not new for Deshabandhu Chittaranjan Das, because he is already working for the freedom of our country. And also Subhash Chandra Bose, he is telling that there are that tremendous work means there is a lot of work which is on their head with the connection to the freedom movement. So if Deshabandhu Chittaranjan Das wish, then he would be able to make contribution to the work of freedom movement. So I am yours respectfully, Subhash Chandra Bose. So Subhash Chandra Bose, he was a great leader who worked for the freedom of our country. Though he was an government worker, he quitted the government work and he joined the freedom movement, and he takes a great role in the freedom of our country. I hope you have understood this, children. Thank you.